I've been going through. Lately I've been calling you. Lately life has been a puzzle. Sometimes I don't know what to do. Burdens overweight me. I've been praying on a daily, but daily I fight through the
Shalom family, KARADYAH here. I wanted to go ahead and introduce into my channel a series of videos. I don't know how often I'll be doing it, but it's going to be involving food and letting the women who are trying to get pregnant know how I got my body ready and how I changed the whole dynamic of my body concerning PCOS and other things using the food that I was eating, and how I am 185 pounds now and I look like I'm like 150. Hallelujah. All praises to the Most High, but it's concerning food. And today I wanted to show y'all the salad that my husband and I are eating now twice a day. I'm going to put in some pictures, but you eat life, you get life back. Flesh, you know, we do have a little bit of hamburger meat inside of this dish, but this dish was actually made around Popeye's Cajun rice. Most of their products have pork in them, so we can't eat them, but we can't eat the Cajun rice, so I had to find a way to spice it up or whatever, because I had a lot of it left over. So anyway, this is the salad, and it is, hold on, let me try this again. I don't know how to word this phone, y'all. It is spinach and broccoli. Broccoli. And this is the Cajun rice, and it has some chopped up herbs and spices and garlic, and it also has garlic powder, and I put a good bit of garlic powder and a good bit of black pepper, because the salad is more about the greens and the broccoli, and up under here is more broccoli, and also these little peas. I probably should have kept one out before I broke them all up. That would have been smarter, but I'll show you. I'll put a picture up. Put them in there. And oh yeah, most importantly, the reason why I'm doing this also is to help out with our stomachs, our digestive tract, and like flushing out the things that we have been eating that made us gain a bunch of weight fast, and we were trying to gain weight but in a healthy way. So as of right now, we're doing like a detox, flush, rebalance diet thing. So this olive oil is the best olive oil I have ever used in my life, and it is, I got it from Ollie's here in Tennessee, and it was $5.99. Child, look at the size of this bottle. I don't know if y'all know about the olive oil game. It ain't cheap. But yeah, I put like 2-3 capfuls of that all over the salad before I eat it. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm trying to work on gaining weight in my lower body. So I'm sending calories into my body that are going to sink down low or go towards the bottom of my body versus my stomach and my arms for right now, because I've already put on weight up there. So now I'm doing the working out of my stomach, and I'm not promising no massive results to anybody. It's not like a weight loss challenge. It's just this lifestyle thing that we're trying to adopt to keep from having colon cancer and problems with our stomachs. And I just had some recent health bumps, so we're trying to avoid those, and we're trying to have a healthy baby. And we're trying to put out there for the rest of Israel to, you know, start indulging in some other things. There is so much flavor going on inside of this, y'all. inside of this here salad here. I'm gonna let you get a good look at it. Check it out. Hallelujah. But it's like 2.5 tablespoons of rice. Well, wait a minute, let me not lie. That's not a tablespoon. It's this spoon. It's like 2.5, or I think I just put 2 scoops of this. A spoon this size. Excuse the mess on the stove, y'all. It's a pretty big spoon. But however, yeah. So this is our salad. This is the first one that we're going to be doing. And I have, like I said, I made it in a different way earlier. So I'm going to put the pictures of that on this video. And I don't know who makes this olive oil, but I suggest that y'all go out and get some. I'm not endorsing anybody or anything like that. I'm just giving credit where credit is due. It's really a pretty good olive oil to me. I haven't run into any snags or anything like that, anything to be cautious of, but yeah, this is what I've been using. And we're gonna see if we can do a different type of weight gain and clean up our bodies at the same time. So anyone who is looking to maybe do this with us, is going to be for a week as of right now. And I'm going to try to get the videos posted up. It might be late because I don't have a lot of time to do videos, but I'm making time. So anybody who might want to join, I'm going to put the ingredients in this down below in the description box. And thank y'all for coming and chilling with me for a little while. All praises to the Most High. Ba'ashem Yahweh Shah HaMashiach. And I'll talk to y'all later. Shabbat Shalom, family. Maybe you already heard it, maybe you're already worried, maybe my struggle is worth it, maybe it's best to continue to listen and learn. Everything has a purpose, maybe everything that hurt me caused me to grow, maybe all this time in the dark caused me to glow. I came up out the jungle like my forefathers came out of the wilderness, chewing on manna. People look at me like I am nobody, but they just don't know that I am far from marriage. I guess it's because my appearance, they say that I look like a thug, on my face is a mug. Really, I'm peaceful inside. If you try and communicate, you'll see that's not what it was. I try to send a message to my homies, but they won't listen, so I strive on. It's righteous walk, sometimes can't get lonely, so I keep on fishing, but they won't bite on this bait that I got on my line. They tell me to wait one more time, like time is forever. Everything comes to an end.